Hi everyone, I'm Chris, the Aquarius Traveller. Make sure you subscribe for your worldwide travel content and inspiration. Hi everyone and welcome to this week's video. Matt and I are off to the Gold Coast, so we're heading down the M1 from Brisbane at the moment. It takes about an hour and a half, depending where you're actually staying on the Gold Coast. I was hoping to get a couple of things done this weekend, so the weather's looking really good now at the moment, but I think the winds are picking up tomorrow, so who knows whether I'll be able to get that stuff done. I did actually do a blog a couple of weeks ago, and I'll pop that into the description below if you would like to have a look at that, at things to do in the Gold Coast if you're ever in the area. Apart from that, we'll probably get some sunrise, sun shoots in, and get the drone up and everything like that. Hopefully it's going to be less windy, but the weather is looking really nice at the moment. Beautiful weather here in southeast Queensland. We have sun. It is coming into winter, so it's a little bit cold, but it is beautiful in the sun. So let's see what we get up for the weekend.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more of my weekly videos. And if you do like today's video, please give us a thumbs up.
And here we are arriving at our hotel.
First stop was heading straight down to the beach for sunset, which was really great with limited people around. We are currently in the heart of the Gold Coast, checking out Australia's famous Surfers Paradise Beach. With 2 kilometres of golden sands and rolling surf, you can feel safe that you have 3 lifeguard towers watching over you. This is the bucket list beach for any holiday maker and the tourist hub of the Gold Coast. Every time I visit, I make sure I enjoy my sunsets behind the high-rise buildings and sunrises over the beach.
Okay, so we're on the beach at Surfers Paradise at the moment. I don't know whether you can see the Q1 building right behind me. In November of last year, I actually climbed around the top of it, and I have another YouTube video about that, which I'll put in the description below.
As the sun sets, we ended up sitting down and admiring the view and watching the seagulls playing in and out of the water. It's winter here at the moment and a little cooler in the waters, but still very nice to take a walk and soak in the views. However, still with it being a little colder, there are always people swimming, surfing, and doing other water activities, especially on the nicer looking days. The next morning we decided to get the drone out for sunrise. There was still only a few people around, maybe a few walkers and runners, so perfect time to get some footage on our own. As the sun started poking through the horizon and the clouds, more people started coming down to the beach to take photos. And here again, I was obsessed with the birds and watching the waves roll in. It's not surprising that Surfers Paradise Beach get about 1 million visitors each year. The next beach we went to was about 30 minutes drive south to get to Tallebudgera Creek. Paradise awaits at this location with one of the Gold Coast's most pristine waterways. This creek was certainly a lot busier this day, and I'm guessing a favourite with many of the locals. There were many families, people fishing and paddleboarding or walking the dogs. Plenty of public seating and barbecue areas. Seems like a favourite for day trippers. Splash around in the shallow waters or take some kind of inflatable device to float along as you admire the stunning views. The main strip of the beach is patrolled, so you'll feel ease at swimming between the flags and under the watchful eyes of the lifeguards and lifesavers. About another 10 minutes drive south and we get to Currumbin. Can you hear the squeaky sand? Similar to Tallebudgera, it also has a creek for the smoother, low-key activities, but also has some great looking surf. We ended up hanging out near Currumbin Rock and watching all the surfers. But a couple of years ago, I did hire a paddleboard and I scoped out parts of the creek. Today, there were heaps and heaps of surfers getting out there for some awesome wave action. But note that there are a couple of surf skills available here for the tourists to learn, so the Gold Coast is your place to be. Can you notice all the buildings in the distance? This was where we first started at Surfers Paradise Beach. Currumbin is also a good place for a photographer's dream for early morning or late afternoon sessions. Well, I hope you enjoyed that short tour of some of Gold Coast beaches, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. I will see you again next week.